Going on. So for this video, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to go look at the parts that me and John painted on the Camaro. I'm trying to get a good angle here. And see how they turned out, because I haven't been up to the shop in a few days and I've just been letting them dry and everything. But right now, I am about to spray off the mats on my car. You guys haven't seen this car yet. I actually just bought it probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe. It hasn't been a month, I don't think. But it is a 2013 Honda Accord. Pretty nice, not too bad for a Honda. The first Honda I've ever owned. And let's see, it has about 81,000 miles. So, yeah, picked this up. Wasn't a bad deal. Found it at a Ford dealership by my house. And yeah, man, it's pretty freaking nice. I like it. It gets good gas mileage. I'm not used to a car with good gas mileage because I've always had a V8. So I'm gonna spray these mats off and just clean the inside out. And then yeah, we'll be on our way to the shop to check out the parts and see just how they turned out. I don't expect them to be perfect, but I feel like they're gonna be pretty good. So I will get with you guys after I'm done spraying them off. Alright, so just got to the shop. Just did the interior on this thing. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. This car is a pretty clean car, so just did that. And I'm going to show you the parts that we painted real quick. Alright, so there's the Camaro. As you can see, there's the cap to the intake. And then here's the two. I'll take them out in the sun so you guys can see real quick. Got my buddy Cameron here. He's about to do the headlights on the Honda just because they're fading a little bit. He's going to clean them up, but man, did those turn out really good. I mean, that's not bad for like one of my first times ever painting or spray painting, you know. So, and then I'll show you guys the cap real quick. Oh Lord, if I can reach it, it's probably stuck to the cardboard. There it is. Okay. So, cap's not looking bad either. I didn't do the bottom, just did the top, but that's not bad. You can kind of tell it's spray paint up close, but yeah, not too bad, man. Definitely a upgrade from the rusty look that it has right there. So, next is going to be the engine. We're going to take all the stuff out and sand it all down and just paint the engine next. So those are the next big plans for the car. Like in the last video, got the carburetor out. I'm either stuck between rebuilding it or just gonna buy a new one. I'm not too sure yet, honestly. Like I wanted to keep everything original in the car, but I don't know, it'd just be nice to have a new carburetor, and it's not too expensive. I think it was like $200 or $300. So, and it's like all chromed out and it would look really good. But yeah, not really doing much today. Life is about to get pretty hectic. I just had my college orientation, so I'm going to school full time, and then I'm working full time. And I mean, I try to get to the gym at least like 6 days a week. And between making videos on YouTube and just working on cars, I just got a lot going on. But you know what? I'm happy to have a lot going on because I'd rather have a lot going on than nothing going on. So, and I'm not afraid of hard work either. I'm not afraid to be on the grind and just get things done, and I'm not really a complainer either. So, yeah, it's exciting times. So, yeah, man, I'm excited to start making some more videos on this car and just getting everything cleaned up. I was here the other day, and me and John were just like scraping dirt with a flathead screwdriver off the bottom. Like, it needs to be scraped off because it's like 51 years worth of dirt down there. So that's why I wanted to do, like take everything off and sand it all down, kind of like what we did here. That's not looking too bad. But yeah, I haven't really had a chance to work on this much since the last video. Just got everything painted. And yeah, Big Cam's about to buff out these headlights. I might make a little video of him just cleaning up the headlights. We'll do like a before and after. And yeah, that's pretty much what today's video is gonna be. Kind of like a vlog and a Camaro update, I guess. Not too big of an update, but I think John has his front bumper off of his car because his buddy is going to wrap that part of his, right here, of his car. It's gonna be gloss black. He's gonna wrap that. So this man always has his bumper off for some reason. Like it's not one thing, it's another. He just likes taking it off, I guess. But yeah, so we're gonna get started on this, and I'll do like a time lapse or something.
Ready?
Alright, so there's what it looks like after. As you can see, it definitely looks a lot better. And then, yeah, they weren't terrible in the first place. There's the other one. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's definitely, there's definitely a difference. So, heck yeah, this looks really good, actually. Dang, bro. Alright. But, yeah, he's basically just gonna do the same thing to the other side, and that's gonna be that. Probably took him about 15 minutes tops. So not too bad at all. And yeah, so that's probably gonna conclude this video. I am starving, so I'm probably about to go get something to eat after this, and